Hello all, welcome back to my channel's new video. So at today's video, we are going to discuss about what is the meaning of end-to-end encrypted. Okay, so at WhatsApp you can WhatsApp and some other chatting platforms, and there you can say that messages and calls are end-to-end encrypted. No one outside of this chat, not even WhatsApp, can read or listen to them, tap to them. So they are saying that the WhatsApp also cannot read them, but sometimes if WhatsApp decodes it, WhatsApp can read for some urgent items and all. Okay, so I will say it with proof. So let's go. So first of all, let's go to know what is the meaning of end-to-end encrypted. So end-to-end encrypted means so if the Bob is sending a message to Alice, so he is sending that Bob uses Alice public key to encrypt. Okay, so he is sending a message. So the message will be stored. So this is the sender and this is the receiver and this is the WhatsApp. Okay, so when they send the message will be saved like a code type. See, the message have been saved like sometimes we have been sending hi. So the hi will be saved like the code, and this code will be saved in server. See, WhatsApp servers, it will be saved, and when it's received, see that have been received here. So that code will be automatically decoded and she can see this message. So he is sending the message, send me money. Okay. So it has been saved like 6 EK and something. And when it received here, see the receiver can see that send me this dollar. So it have been saved like a code. Okay. So then I will say that WhatsApp also can read that because if WhatsApp can decode the following code, they can read it. So I will say the example. So if someone have been reported us, okay. So if someone have reported us that we are doing some scam or etc., then WhatsApp will search for that. Okay, so WhatsApp will just review that account. Yeah, surely WhatsApp will review the banned account and all. So how they are reviewing? They are decoding the messages and seeing that what they have been chatted, like that they are reviewing the messages. So at there WhatsApp can see the message. Okay, so they will be decoding and they will be searching that it's a spam or etc or not spam. See, so that means that this line is completely lie, that not even WhatsApp can read or listen to them. So that's a lie. Okay, so that end to end encryption means this is the correct meaning of end-to-end encryption. It will be saved as a code. If they have been decoded it, they can surely see that message. As me a developer, I have created AI chatbots and all. So at there also I can see the chats will be saved like this type of codes. And when I decode it, I can see the messages correctly. Okay. So that's the meaning of end-to-end encrypted. So hope today's video is useful. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.